Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Pro mode in your Redmi Note 15 Pro's camera for night photography. First, open camera and let's enter the Pro mode by selecting the Pro tab in here. Then the first thing that we want to do is change the format in the top right corner of the screen from JPG to RAW for better processing. Then two values we want to work with is the shutter speed and the ISO. Now for the shutter speed, I recommend using 2 to about 6 seconds and set up your device on a tripod or just put it on a stable surface so your phone doesn't move during taking the photo. But basically, the longer the shutter speed is, the better quality the photo will be, though I wouldn't recommend setting a number that is too much. Now for ISO, I recommend picking a value between 400 and 1000. So basically, the bigger the value is, the brighter the photo will be. But if you select the brightest values we have in here, it will just bright the photo, will make the photo way too bright, and you will not be able to basically to tell anything on this photo from this photo because it's just way too bright. So the darker the photo is, the higher your ISO should be, and also the longer your shutter speed time should be. And make sure that your phone is stable or stands stable when you are taking this photo, because otherwise the photo will come out blurry and the details will not be visible. And then we'll get something like this. I know this photo is kind of looks too dark when you're looking when being displayed on camera, but generally speaking, it actually has some good details, some good green over here, and it was taken in complete darkness. So yeah, so that's basically the result that you can get in basically a minute of adjusting your Pro camera settings. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.